outdoors. Welcome back to KIDCO TV, the fun place where learning comes to life. Today we're going to shine a light on something super bright and super cool. Can you guess what it is? That's right, sunlight. Get ready for glowing giggles and bright ideas because we're diving into fun facts about our favorite star, the sun. Let's go! Sunlight is the light that comes from the sun, and it's not just light. It's made up of different kinds of energy, like light waves and heat. It takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds for sunlight to travel from the sun to Earth. That's faster than your school bus, times a million. Question to kids. Can you count to 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's how long the sunlight zooms to us from outer space. Sunlight is like plant power juice. Plants need sunlight to make their food. It's called photosynthesis. Without sunlight, we wouldn't have trees, flowers, or even fruits and veggies. Can you spot 3 things in your home or yard that grow because of sunlight? Pause and look around. Guess what else sunlight does? It gives our bodies vitamin D, which helps our bones stay strong and healthy. Just a little sunlight on your skin each day is super helpful. But don't forget your sunscreen. Quick tip time. Sunscreen helps protect your skin from too much sun, just like an umbrella does from rain. Did you know that sunlight is made of all the colors of the rainbow? When sunlight passes through raindrops, it bends and splits into beautiful colors. And ta-da! A rainbow appears. What's your favorite color in the rainbow? Sunlight doesn't just help plants and people, it helps machines too. Solar panels turn sunlight into electricity to power lights, homes, and even cars. It's clean, green energy from the sun. Well, fun fact, some calculators run on tiny solar panels too. Wasn't that a bright adventure? Now you know that sunlight helps plants, powers gadgets, makes rainbows, and gives us energy. See you next time, little sunbeams. Bye!
Did you have fun? Let us know in the comments. And to keep the adventures coming, share the smiles and subscribe for more KIDCO TV fun.